Sean Lott. I'm really excited to be teaching a 2-day workshop at the 2019 RStudio conference on Shiny in production. I'll be joined by a powerhouse of RStudio engineers and engineers outside of RStudio, all of whom have a great background in building out awesome Shiny applications and scaling them in the enterprise and production. So I'm really looking forward to teaching this workshop, showing you some of the tips and tricks, as well as the processes and cultures that you can adopt to be successful bringing Shiny into production. And while pretty much everyone these days is learning how to write Shiny applications, and there's tons of excellent material out there to teach you how to build beautiful, excellent Shiny applications that do meaningful things, there's a lot less information on how to deploy and scale and combat your IT department when they ask you, who's going to ensure this application works at 2 a.m. in the morning when 1,000 people are trying to visit it. So that's what this course is designed to address. We've spent almost a year building tools and processes to help you bring Shiny into production and to make sure that R and Shiny are first-class citizens in the enterprise architecture. This course will cover all of those tools as well as those processes and cultures. It'll teach you the language that DevOps teams expect you to be able to speak, and it'll show you by the end of the course how to approach the problem of bringing your Shiny application to hundreds or thousands of users. I'm really excited to see you all at our studio conference. I'm looking forward to all the great talks that we have lined up. I know I'm going to learn a lot, both from my colleagues at our studio and all of the great R users coming to the conference. I'm also really looking forward to teaching this class. It's going to be an excellent opportunity for all of us to come together, discuss and learn what Shiny in production really means. So I'm looking forward to seeing you. Check out our website to learn more about the conference and Shiny in production.